Ready.
Okay, children, today we will do an activity. Okay, and this activity you have to read this word. Okay, read the words one by one, and after that, if you will read correctly, I will give you plus marks, and if you will not read correctly, I will give you some minus marks. Okay, so like this, all the children will try one by one, and after that, one magic will happen, and what will be the magic? You will see later on. Okay, and now first of all, you. What's your name, beta?
Mahi.
Mahi. Yes, Mahi. Read it, beta. What is this?
K
Yes.
L
This is I. This is I. I have written in capital letter. Okay. So you have to
K I T kit.
kit. Very good. Now read this.
A H
No. First this word.
H.
This letter. Then this. Then this. Yes.
H A T hat.
Very good. Then this word.
C U B cub.
Very good.
T U B tub.
Very good. Very good. Now this word.
B I T bit.
Very good. Now this word. No.
R
Yes.
I
Yes.
P fly.
Rip. Rip. No. Rip. Okay. Then this word.
C A P
CAP.
hap.
Cat. Cat. Okay. Then this word.
R A T rat.
Rats. So you have read. How many words you have read correctly? I think 7 words, na? 7 words. So you will get here 7 marks. Okay. Yes. You come here. Second one, second child. Yes. आप यही खड़े रहना. Okay. Yes you. आप यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ बेटा यहाँ. Very good. Yes you. Read this.
K I T kit.
Very good.
H A T hat.
Very good.
C U B cub.
Very good.
T U B tub.
Very good.
B I T bit.
Very good.
R I P rip.
Yes.
C A P cap.
Yes.
R A T rat.
Very good. Very good. So you have got 10 marks.
8 words are there, no?
No. I see. Oh, 8 marks. Yes, 8 words are there. Okay, beta. Let it be 7. Okay. No problem. Then you come, beta. You come. Yes. Yeah. Read this word.
K I T kit.
Yes.
H A T hat.
Yes. Very
C
good.
U B cub.
Very good.
T U B tub.
Very good.
B I T bit.
Very good.
R I P rip.
Yes.
C A P cap.
Very good.
R A T rat.
Yes. Very good.
Done.
So in this way you have got 8
Yes.
marks, na?
हाँ.
Then you come here, beta. Read this. Okay. Read this. Read from here. Yes.
R A T rat.
Yes.
K I T kit.
Yes.
H A T hat.
Very good.
C U B cup.
Cup. Yes. Very good.
T U B tub.
Very good.
B I T bit.
Very good.
R I P rip.
Very good.
C A P cap.
Very good.
That's it.
R
That's
A
it.
T.
Okay. Okay. You have done
8.
8 correct words. Now, Mahi, you come again here. Mahi, you come
There,
this side.
that's it.
Come this side. Yes. Now, Mahi, what I will do, I will add, these are 8 words, no? Okay, now I will here add E. You know, E. Then you have to read the spelling and read the word, okay? What happens? K-I-T-E. What happens? What is this now?
K I T E.
Yes.
Q.
No.
Kit.
Kitty.
Cat.
You have added E, na? You have, yes, you have seen kite.
Kite.
Yes. So you can tell a kite. Okay. After K-I-T and you add E, then it becomes kite. Okay. It becomes kite. Now, in this way, now you try to read better.
H A T E.
Yes. Yes. What will be the new word?
8.
8.
नहीं पहले अभी don't tell her. Okay ना? Then now try to read this.
C U B E.
Yes. What will be the new word?
Cow.
Cube.
Q.
Cube. Okay, cube. पहले कब, you was small, you was short word ना, but it has become tube. Okay, tube, long u, tube. Okay, now read this.
T-U-B-E. Tab.
It is similar to previous.
Tube. Okay.
Like cube, it is
Yes,
tube.
previously you said tube, tub. Okay, after when I add here e, then it becomes tube. Okay, long u, tube. Then yes,
B-I-T-E. Bit.
just imagine what will be the new word. You have-
Beat.
No, this will become bite.
Bite.
Okay, bite. B-I-T, bit. B-I-T-E, bite. Yes.
P-R-I.
No. Read from here.
P-R-I-P-E. Tree.
Okay, don't. Now I will not tell anybody because I am testing you, na. After that, I will clear all the things. Okay. Now tell me what is this?
C-A-P-E. Cat.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you
Atlas.
later on. Yes. Now tell me this word.
R-A-T-E. Rat.
No.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Score?
What will be the score, children? What will be the score? How many words she has told correctly? One word, na?
One.
No word. You will stand here. Okay. No problem, beta. No problem. I am teaching you. You are learning. Okay. Then one by one you will
Score,
learn all
score.
the things. Okay. Yes.
Write the score.
Yes. No problem. I will give you 1 mark now. One word you have said. Yes, you come. You come, beta. Yes. Idhar aaiye. One by one you will come. Okay. No problem. Now you start. Now you. Yes. Spell this word and yes.
K-I-T-E. Kite.
Very good.
H-A-T-A. Hat.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
Q. C-U-B-E. Q.
Very good.
T-U-B-E. Tube.
Very good. Children, you will count now how many correct words she speaks.
I am
Okay.
also counting.
Yes.
B-I-T-E. Bite.
Very good.
R-I-P-E. Ripe.
Very good.
C-A-P-E. Cap.
Okay, next word.
Okay. Next word.
R-A-T-E. Right.
Okay,
No.
next word. Done, na?
She has done this word. Kite. You have done this, na? Okay.
3 wrong, 5 correct.
Yes, 5 correct words. Okay. Now you will come now. Yes. You will read from here. Okay.
K-I-T-E. Kite.
Very good.
H-A-T-E. Hate.
आप लोग you will understand clear, okay ना? Then after you will given the chance, okay? So you will look at here and listen, okay? Then you will understand all the correct things.
Okay.
Yes. Say this word again.
H-A-T-E. Hate.
Very good.
C-U-B-E. Cube.
Very good.
T-U-B-E. Tube.
Very good.
B-I-T-E. Bite.
Very good.
R-I-P-E. Ripe.
Yes. Very good.
C-A-P-E. Cape.
Very good.
R-A-T-E. Rate.
Very good.
Correct, done.
You have done, na?
8.
How many marks you will
Eight.
given?
Eight.
8. Very good. You will given chance again and again, so that you will able to say the correct word. Okay. Now, yes, your chance. This is your chance. Yes.
K-I-T-E. Kite.
Very good.
H-A-T-E. Hate.
Very good.
C-U-B-E. Cube.
Very good.
T-U-B-E. Tube.
Very good.
B-I-T-E. Bite.
Shabash. Yes.
R-I-P-E. Ripe.
Very good. Right. Yes.
C-A-P-E. Cape.
Very good.
R-A-T-E. Rich.
Very good. You have
Done,
done,
done.
na? Okay. Now Mahi will come again, na? Mahi, you would have learned something, na? Some correct things, na? You will. I will
Again.
giving the chance. Yes. Mahi, read this.
K-I-T-E. K.
No.
Kite.
Oh, kite. Very
Ah,
good.
okay.
Very good. Shabash.
H-A-T-E. Hattie.
Hate. Okay. Hate.
Hate.
Yes. Hate. Okay.
Hate.
Then
C-U-B-E-C-B.
Cube. Yes, cube. Very good. Then,
T-U-B-E. Tube.
very good.
Correct.
B-I-T-E. Breed. Eat.
Bite. Yes. Then,
R-I-P-E. Rhyme.
very good.
C-A-P-E-C. Cat.
Cape. Yes. Then,
R-A-T-E.
rate. Okay. This is, yes. Now, how many words she has?
Five.
Four words or five words? 5 words.
I thought 5 words.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
4. I don't know.
Okay. 4 words. नहीं.
4 correct.
Okay. No problem.
5 correct. or
चारवी,
four
you come here बेटा. चारवी. अब ये 2 बच्चे है ना, आप 2 बच्चे इधर हो जाइए. यजन ने तो पूरा ठीक बोला ना, और पार्थ सारथी ने भी ठीक बोला. आप इधर आ जाओ. हाँ, यस यू. यस बेटा. You will given the chance again, all of you. Yes.
K-I-T-E. Kite.
Very good.
H-A-T-E. Hate.
Very good.
C-U-B-E. Cube.
Yes.
D-U-B-E. Tube.
Say again.
B-I-T-E.
No.
Bite.
Start from here.
Sorry.
Yes.
T-U-B-E. Tube.
Yes.
B-I-T-E. Bite.
Very good.
R-I-P-E. Ripe.
Very good.
C-A-P-E. Cape.
Very good. Very good.
R-A-T-E. Rate.
Shabash.
Done.
You have done.
8.
How many?
8.
All of the words are correct?
8.
Okay, 8. She has got now 8. Okay. Mahi, you will come again, beta. You will given chance again and again until you pronounce
Answer all
correctly.
the-
Okay, or answer all the things. Okay, beta. Now, tell me this because you are
K-I-T-E. Kite.
very good.
H-A-T-E. Hit.
Very good.
C-U-B-E. Cube.
Very good.
T-U-B-E. Tube.
Very good.
B-I-T-E. Beat.
No, this
Again,
is
again.
bite.
Bite.
This is bite. Okay. No. Yes. Tell me.
R-I-P-E. Ripe.
Very
Correct.
good.
C-A-P-E.
Cape.
Cape.
Okay. Then
R-E.
R-
R-A-T-E. Right.
this
Again.
is rate. This is rate. Okay. So all the children stand here. All the children come here. All of you come here. Please come here. Na? So, children, listen. When I don't add e there, so these vowels. These are vowels. Do you know what are vowels?
Yes.
Who will tell me what are vowels? How many vowels are there? Can you tell me?
5. Yes.
5. What are those vowels? Very good. Yes. Yes. Very good. So there are 8 words. Now how many words are there?
8.
8 words. And in middle of each word, what is given? These are vowels. Okay, these are vowels. Now in these words, there are 3 letters. Okay, B-K-I-T, kit. Okay, H-A-T, hat. C-U-B, cube. T-U-B, tub. B-I-T, bit. R-I-P,
This
rip.
cup.
Yes, cub. Yes, cub. And C-A-P, cat. Okay, so these are small, short vowels. Okay, short. When we add e in these words, okay, what happens? This becomes rate. This becomes long words. Okay, like rate, kite. Okay, then hate. It becomes it changes into long a. Na long a or long e. It changes. Okay. Yes. Then cube. Na tube. Okay. Yes. Bit. Ripe. Okay. Cape. It becomes longer. The sound becomes longer. Okay. This is rate. Okay. It becomes longer. Kite. Hate. Cub.
Cube.
Oh, sorry. Cube. Tube. Bite. Rip.
Right.
Cape. Sorry. Ripe. Cape. rate and kite. Okay, then you understood all the things, children. You have to you have all you four pronounced correctly, huh? And you understood this is short vowels in the middle are pronounced very shortly. Then when when you add e, it becomes longer. Okay, children. Now you will all pronounce all together. Okay, I will write. सभी चार एक साथ बोलेंगे. Okay, what is this?
Kite.
Very good.
Hit.
Very good.
Cube.
Very good.
Cube.
Very good.
Bite.
Bite. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Cape.
Very good.
Rip.
Very
Done,
good.
done, done.
Kite.
Okay. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Thank you very much. Yeah, have you enjoyed this game?
Yes.
You have enjoyed this game? Okay, children, you have done very well, and all of you have got full marks. Okay, you have all got full marks. Okay, this was the game, na? Okay, children. Now, बच्चों को कुछ दिया जाए, कुछ चीजें दिए जाए
ये ले
खाने
लिए।
को. और
लो, तुम लोग
शिवन,
एक-एक
do you
खाओ।
have toffee, शिवन?
हाँ, या है.